Hello my beautiful people, and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. So today I'm going to show you a keto diet, easy, simple keto diet recipe. Okay, so what we're going to need today for our keto diet recipe, we are doing egg roll in a bowl, which you can pair this with either white rice, brown rice, or even cauliflower rice. But today I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to make the egg roll portion in the bowl. And again, like I said, you can pair it with your rice of choice. So we're going to need, I'm using ground turkey crumbles. Turkey sausage crumbles is actually what I'm using. But you can use pork, beef turkey. You can even use the vegetable sausage protein crumbles if you'd like. But I'm going to use turkey today. And I'm also using the tricolor coleslaw. And we're going to be using some ginger and low sodium soy sauce. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just putting just a little bit of my sausage, my turkey sausage. I'm not going to use the whole thing because I'm just making a little bit for myself this afternoon. This will be my lunch. So we're going to let this get warmed up and everything before we add in our tricolor coleslaw and our soy sauce and our ginger. Okay, so we're going to let this get warmed up. In fact, I'm going to add a teaspoon of olive oil in here. So hold on, let me get my olive oil. Okay, so I'm adding a teaspoon of olive oil in here only because I have the turkey sausage crumbles that was already pre-cooked and I'm just heating them up, and so they need a little bit of oil just to kind of help it along. And olive oil is good, you know. Olive oil is not going to add any weight to you or anything. This is a good oil. It's not going to add give you bad cholesterol. So this is a good oil to use. And that's why I went ahead and added that olive oil in here, because I want to have a little bit of oil to be able to make my kind of like my stir fry, my egg roll in a bowl. And everyone knows turkey needs a little help, so that's why I did that. So I'm going to let this warm up, and then I'll add in our tricolor coleslaw that we have here. Okay, so I'm going to let this heat up, get warm a little bit, and I'll add in all the rest of it. Okay, so now that I have my turkey sausage nicely heated, I'm going to add in my tricolor coleslaw. And remember, if you're using pork or beef sausage, you're not going to have to add oil because that makes its own oil. But when we're using turkey, we kind of have to help it out. Or even if we used a chicken sausage, you have to help it out a little bit. So I'm going to pour some of this coleslaw in here, and then I'm going to add just a dash of ginger. There we go. Let's get that swirled all around, mixed in there good. Now I'm going to add my ginger. And I'm really just going to sprinkle some in here. So I'm going to say, for those who don't really cook and need the measurements, I'm going to say I'm putting about a half of a teaspoon of ginger in here, because ginger is a strong seasoning. And I didn't put that much, but you should smell it. It smells like a Chinese restaurant in here, just from the ginger. Okay, now I'm going to add in my soy sauce. And I'm going to sprinkle, I don't know, I probably put that's probably about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in here. And that's all you need. And then you're going to let your vegetables kind of wilt down some. And that's it. This is a simple, easy recipe. And I'm going to pair this today. I know I said I was going to probably just eat it as is, but I'm going to go ahead and cook a little rice. and I'm just going to pair it with some white rice. And once I plate it, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more soy sauce. But I think I could use a little bit more of ginger, so I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit more. That's about maybe a quarter teaspoon more of ginger, and that's it. Quick and easy. A really simple recipe for your keto diet if you are on a keto diet, which I'm not. But you know, someone asked me to do a keto diet recipe, and I thought this was a pretty good recipe, so I said, hey, let me go ahead and cook this recipe up. It's quick, it's easy, and it's simple. You know, nothing too hard. And that's what I like. I don't like to give you guys recipes where it may be hard. I like to give you something simple and easy. That's not going to take too much time, because we all lead very busy lives. And if you know me personally, you know my life is very busy. So, and we're going to let this cook up. So I'm going to finish letting this cook, and then I'll show you the finished product, because I'm going to plate it up. But this is what we're looking like. This is what you want your dish to look like. Just like that. And just let it cook. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, and I am back, and here is my keto diet recipe. Your egg roll in a bowl. And I did pair it with some rice, if you can see. Let me see if I can bring it up a little bit. There's some rice in here. And I just sprinkled a little bit more soy sauce on there. And there you go. But I paired it with some rice. And this is what's for lunch today. And I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Press the notification bell so that you know the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye.